Kia ora. Hello. Welcome to Raglan Food Co, nestled here in our own little slice of paradise in New Zealand. We are Carbon Zero accredited and we have a team of awesome, hardworking people. Each week we turn 15 tonnes of organic coconut cream into our plant-based products. That's 25,000 glass jars and bottles filled with joy every week. Our strict hygiene practices, regulated by the New Zealand government, means our product is always produced in a clean and safe environment. We pump the ingredients into big tanks and pasteurize our coconut cream before fermenting to eliminate pathogens. Our jars are inspected, inverted and sanitized with ozonated air before entering the production area. The sanitized jars are filled automatically before making their way down the conveyor to the capping machine. Then our capping machine applies a sanitized lid with an extra tight seal to protect the yogurt and keep out air particles that may spoil the product. The jars are labelled, dated and packed into boxes. Once they have been packed, we cool them in our chiller and send them all over New Zealand and abroad, ready for our customers. Raglan Food Co. We're always lifting the vibe.